Hello and welcome to the first video of the Drone Project Operations and Management module. This course aims to provide you with the awareness into applying good practices in drone project management of any size. We will be providing you with an understanding of essential elements including the leadership role of the project manager, project planning, risk management, and stakeholder engagement. Also focusing on the principal elements of design control to be applied within the project. What is a project? A project is a planned set of activities, has scope, and has time, cost, quality, and resource constraints. Understanding these basics will go a far way into making your drone projects reach great heights. The utility of drones finds many faces today. Project managers can benefit enormously from drone technology. For example, the ability of a drone to provide real-time images of construction projects offers a quick and easy way of communicating progress to clients and stakeholders. What is drone project management? The art of organizing, leading, reporting, and completing a project through people. It is basically causing a planned undertaking to happen with the help of drones. Every project requires a project manager to lead the team to complete the project objectives. The roles of a project manager include taking responsibility and accountability for the whole project, being proactive and planning in detail along with being aware of risks in case of unforeseen events that occur, causing damage and crisis to the project. You need to be decisive and a really good communicator. A project manager must manage and function on the analysis of data instead of uniformed optimism. A good reputation with the team comes from leading by example and having sound judgment. A project manager has the skills to motivate the team to keep the work spirits high. Being diplomatic in required situations is a must, and they must have the skills to delegate the work efficiently. A project is a collaborative effort. It has various people involved in taking a project from idea to execution. There are teams and other departments within the organization, leadership, clients, and more. These people are your stakeholders. But what does that term really mean? A person or a group of people who have a vested interest in the success of an organization and the environment in which the organization operates. The list of stakeholders can change throughout the project's journey. A certain stakeholder's influence might become more or less important depending on the project phase. A project manager is to keep all stakeholders informed, involved, and on board throughout the project's progression. Stakeholder happiness is one of the key metrics of a successful project. Managing complex stakeholder relationships is what's called stakeholder engagement and is one of the key skills of the project manager.